class 12 exercise 12.6. Now it is given in question number 20, it is given that vector A is equal to 26, B magnitude 7, A cross B magnitude 35. We have find vector A dot vector B. Now we have know that sin theta equal to vector A cross B magnitude by vector A magnitude multiply vector B magnitude. It is the value of sin theta. Now A cross B magnitude is 35, vector A magnitude 26, vector B magnitude is 7. We cancel to this, we get 5 by root 26. It is the value of sin theta. Now A dot B say that vector A dot vector B is equal to A magnitude vector B magnitude equal to cos theta. It is the given conditions of in exercise 12.5. Now we have find the value of cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta under the square root. Now we find 1 minus sin 25 by 26 under the square root. 26 minus 25 we get 1 by root 26. This is the value of cos theta. Now vector A dot B is equal to vector A magnitude. Vector A magnitude is 26 multiply vector B magnitude is 7 or multiply cos theta value is 1 by root 26. 26 to cancel to 26. Here vector A dot B is equal to 7. This is your part number first. Now B magnitude is equal to vector A magnitude into vector B magnitude into sin theta. It is the given conditions for vector A cross vector B magnitude. Now we are given this condition. Now this satisfies this condition. Vector A dot vector B is equal to vector A magnitude into vector B magnitude into cos theta. Here the value of a cos theta, we find the value of cos theta, then convert into sin theta. So here A dot B is 9 equal to A magnitude 3 multiply B magnitude 4 into cos theta. Now we take 9 by 12 is equal to cos theta and this 3 upon 4 equal to cos theta. This is the value of cos theta. Now we convert this value into sin theta. We have remember the formula sin theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta under the square root. Now 1 minus 3 upon 4 square 9 by 16 under the square root. We take LCM then solve this. We get 7 upon 16 under the square root. It means root 7 by 4. Now we put the value of this. Now vector A cross B magnitude is equal to A magnitude of vector A is 3, vector B magnitude is equal to 4 and the value of this sin theta is root 7 by 4. 4 to 4 cancel, we get vector A cross B magnitude is equal to 3 root 7. Hence the value like that A cross B के magnitude square. It means A cross B multiply A cross B. This is the square root. Now A cross B vector is equal to, we have find this formula in this. A cross B is equal to, now we write this whole square written by this. A magnitude B magnitude sin theta whole square. Now we open this whole square. A magnitude square vector B magnitude square and this is sin square theta. Now look here, A magnitude square B magnitude square into sin square theta. We know that sin square theta is equal to, we have find the value dot. So then sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. We put the value of sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta in these equations. A vector A magnitude square, vector B magnitude square and this will be 1 minus cos square theta. Now we multiply these two, this term and this is also to this term. So we get vector A magnitude square, vector B magnitude square minus vector A magnitude square, vector B magnitude square into cos square theta. Now we find these conditions by these rules. Now this will be written as vector A magnitude square means vector A dot vector A and this means vector B dot vector B. This is the condition of this. And this a square b square cos square theta. Now we have find the value of cos theta is equal to a dot b magnitude is equal to a magnitude b magnitude cos theta. Now this is the conditions of this a dot b whole square, because a square b square and cos square theta is equal to a dot b whole square. Now this will be written as in the form of this vector a dot vector a into a dot b by may this a dot b or vector b dot b. Now we simplify this result. Now this get a vector a dot a vector a cross multiply this, we get this result equal to RHS. Hence LHS is equal to RHS magnitude into sine theta. This is the equation number first. In equation number second, vector a dot vector b, we have find this condition vector a dot vector b is equal to magnitude of vector a into magnitude of vector b into cos theta. This is the second conditions. Now divide equation first by second. We divide the equation first equation by second equation. We get what we get vector a magnitude vector b by may vector a dot vector b is equal to vector a magnitude vector b magnitude into sine theta by may vector a magnitude into vector b magnitude cos theta. Now here we look vector a cancel to vector a, vector b cancel to vector b. We get vector a cross vector b magnitude by may vector a dot vector b is equal to tan theta. Now we transfer this value inside. Vector a cross vector b magnitude is equal to vector a dot vector b into tan theta. Hence 2. This is cross vector c plus this multiply this vector b cross vector c plus vector b cross vector a, and this vector c cross vector a plus vector c cross vector b. Now here this vector a cross vector b, and this is vector a cross c. This is vector c cross a. Vector a cross c plus vector b cross c. Now this vector will be written as vector b cross vector a is. Now we change the direction, then this sign changes to negative. Vector a cross vector b. This is also changed vector a cross vector c, and this is also changed into negative vector b cross vector c. Now vector b cross c positive negative, a cross b positive negative, a cross c positive negative cancel equal to 0. Hence equal to RHS perpendicular on a c. And this result show that vector b cross c is equal to vector a. It is also see that vector b perpendicular a, vector c perpendicular a. So hence vector a is perpendicular b, b is perpendicular c, and vector c is perpendicular a. Now we take this result vector a cross b magnitude equal to vector c. Now a cross b magnitude, we have find the formula of this vector a magnitude vector b magnitude into sine theta is equal to vector c. Now again this is first condition. In second condition vector b cross c magnitude equal to vector a magnitude, b cross c magnitude equal to vector b cross vector c into sine theta is equal to vector a. This is equation second. We are given that theta is the angle between them. We are given a is perpendicular b, b is perpendicular c, c is perpendicular a. Now theta is equal to pi by 2 in this. Now we put the value of theta pi by 2 in equation first and second. Vector a magnitude into vector b magnitude, sin 90 is equal to 1, then we get vector c magnitude. This is equation, new equation third. And vector b magnitude, vector c magnitude is equal to vector a magnitude. This is equation number 4. Now we solve these equations. We put the value of a vector a in equations third. Now we get Here the value of this vector B magnitude square into vector C is equal to vector C. Now vector C magnitude cancel to vector of vector C. So hence we have find vector B magnitude is equal to 1 and vector A magnitude is equal to vector C. Hence a proof. This is your vector A dot vector B is equal to vector A dot vector C. We take this side, vector A dot vector B minus vector A dot vector C is equal to 0. Now we take A common out from this, A dot vector B minus vector C equal to 0. This result say that A is perpendicular on vector B minus vector C, and also vector A equal to 0, vector B minus vector C equal to 0. So then vector B is equal to C. We have find these result by this, vector B is equal to this. For second result, vector A cross B. We take this inside, vector A we have proved this result. Vector B is equal to vector C. Now we change this direction, then this becomes vector C cross vector B. Now we take this left hand side, vector A cross vector B plus vector C cross vector B is equal to 0. Now take vector B is common out, vector B is common out, then vector A plus C is equal to 0. This result show that if any vector cross other vector, then vector B is parallel to vector A plus C. Now we write this, vector A plus C is equal to MB, vector B. Here M is any scalar. Now we prove that. Hence the B means vector B minus vector A, vector B minus vector A, and BC means vector C minus vector B, vector C minus vector B. This is the position vector of these two vectors. Now given point are collinear, then area of triangles equal to 0. When the points are collinear, it is the result that area of triangle equal to 0. Now area of triangle is 1/2 of AB cross BC equal to 0. Magnitude of this is equal to 0. Now AB vector is vector B minus A cross BC means vector C minus B, and magnitude 1/2 equal to 0. Now we find the cross product of these two vectors. We might find these B cross C, half of vector B cross vector C. Now B multiply these vector, B multiply B is equal to 0. This is the result. When we multiply cross, then the element are same, then value of this 0. This multiply this, we get vector minus vector A cross C, and this multiply this vector is plus vector A cross B equal to 0. Now we transpose these vector, vector B multiply vector C plus change the direction of this, vector C cross vector A plus vector A cross vector B equal to 0. Then 1/2 also return to 0. We get these result, vector B cross C plus vector C cross A plus vector A cross B equal to 0. Hence the result. The normal of plane containing these vector A, B, C in the direction of these vector. Now it is also given normal to these vector. We have find vector A, B and B, C. We have find the cross product of these vector. Now we take this result, AB cross BC not equal to 0. This is the normal of these vector. Normal of these vector, we multiply these vector AB and BC. Then AB vector multiply BC. This result not take to equal to 0. In question number 28, we get this same result. In last questions of from this exercise, B is equal to vector B minus vector A, and BC is equal to vector C minus vector B. This is the result of vector AB and this, like this. Now 1/2 vector B minus vector A cross vector C minus vector B. Now we solve this 1/2. This multiply vector B cross vector C. This is result. Same to this is plus vector A cross vector B. This is your result of this. Now we take this is ABC is also a right angle triangle. right angled triangle. Area of right angled triangle is half of base multiply height. It is the result of this. Now area of this triangle is 1 by 2. Now base of this is AB. Height of this is CD. This is the result. Now area of triangle, we have find the area of triangle equal to this. Now 1 by 2 vector B cross C plus C cross A plus vector A cross B. Now 1 by 2 cancel to 1 by 2. Now AB is the base. AB is equal to position vector of AB is vector B minus A. Now we write is vector B minus A. And CD is the height. It means H. We write it H. Now this becomes vector B cross C plus vector C cross A plus vector A cross B. का magnitude by में we take the value of this H. Now with this to this down. Now we write this vector B cross C plus C cross A plus height of these triangles. Hence the